What's up, people? In this video, who are you? Well, you also got tricked, right? This is not my twin, and I don't even have a twin. Well, this is made out of editing, and if you want to learn how to make a duplicate of in your video using your Android mobile, then watch this video till the end. Subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and comment down below if you have any query. Let's get started. So before starting on with the actual step-by-step tutorial on how to make your duplicate in your video, you need some pre-requirements. So the first one actually is this kind of video where you first act on one side, like right now I'm on one side and I'm acting on one side. Then you move your chair and act on the other side. Well, just like your duplicate will do. I hope you get that, and if you don't, you can see the video right here. And of course, you need to make sure that the camera position is same throughout the whole video, and the lighting is the exact same. If it's not like that, then the video is not going to come out good. So remember that. And the second one is KineMaster app. So just those are the two requirements that you need. Now that's all. So go to KineMaster and then hit on the plus, then click on empty project. Then go into media and select the video that you had made. Now hit OK. Now we need to trim the part where you had made the first video. So you can make any improvements that you want to make, maybe removing the front part or anything. Now just trim the video. Like I'm going to trim it here. So I'm going to click on the video and hit on this scissor and hit trim to the right of playhead. So there we go. Now it's done. Now hit OK. Now you'll see that only that part of the video is there which in which I'm acting on one side. So now click on layer and then hit on media. Now select that video again, and you need to trim this video where you speak, where you have changed the seat totally. So I can see it here. It's somewhere over here. So now I'm gonna it's somewhere over here. So yeah, let's just click on the scissor again and hit trim to the left of playhead. Now hit OK. Now just select that, just long press on this clip and then move it inside. So you'll see that how it looks. So now you can see that I'm seated and like the video is going on perfectly. Let me just make it small and shift so that you can see that it's going perfectly. So yeah, and then when this part stops, this starts. So yeah, that's perfect, and you can trim that until the end. Now you click on the layer and then click on this option and then select the last one, which is this one. Now if you have the proper lighting and you have not moved the camera at all, then this is gonna work out perfect. Otherwise you can always set it so that it looks way better than before. So now let's hit on the play button and let's see. So you can see there's a bit of line over here. I mean, like, they can see the screen partition, but sometimes it is. So make sure that you record the video very carefully. So now let's see. So yeah, this is perfect, and when this one is gonna stop, this one is gonna start. So yeah, let's see. Yes, that is perfect. And both of them say, let's get started. Okay, so that's the video. Now just click on this option and then select QHD and 30 frame rate, and you can select it high and then hit export. Now continue with watermark, and yeah, the project is going to be exported, and that's pretty much done. So that was exactly how to make a duplicate of yours in your video, and hope you like this video, and if you do, then hit that like button, of course. Bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.